In the absence of premeditation or malice aforethought, a person may still be charged with manslaughter for a killing. The maximum penalty for manslaughter is imprisonment for up to 10 years, or a jail term in a local facility of up to 2 years, and/or a $500 fine. Manslaughter is a felony, defined under Maryland Criminal Code Section 207. Voluntary manslaughter is a lesser offense to murder that involves the intentional killing of another person, but without premeditation and under certain mitigating circumstances, such as heat of passion or sudden provocation. A second-degree murder charge may be argued down to voluntary manslaughter by a qualified Maryland homicide lawyer by proving that there was adequate provocation to the accused and that there was no time to cool off. It is important to note that catching your spouse in the act of cheating, including walking in on a sexual act, is not considered adequate provocation in Maryland for the purposes of mitigating murder down to voluntary manslaughter. This has been set out in Maryland Criminal Code Section 2207B. Furthermore, your discovery, perception, or belief about another person's race, color, national origin, sex, gender identity, or sexual orientation is not considered adequate provocation in Maryland for the purposes of mitigating murder down to voluntary manslaughter. It does not matter whether your discovery, perception, or belief is accurate. Involuntary manslaughter is the unintentional killing of another person, usually resulting from unlawful, reckless, or negligent conduct, such as the improper or unlawful operation of a vehicle or machinery. It is otherwise termed as criminally negligent homicide. It is the least severe form of homicide, but it is still a very serious offense with serious consequences and is often tied to tragedy, such as in instances of vehicular homicide. A Maryland manslaughter lawyer can argue the facts of your case to best protect you from possible harsh sentencing, which may be amplified by the number of injured parties, or to avoid conviction based upon the specific details of your case.